Want to make a video you've already recorded look clearer? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to edit clearer videos using CapCut. Now let's get started. To edit a video to look more clear and higher quality, open the CapCut app and create a new video project. Then select the video you want to edit and tap Add. Scroll sideways in the menu at the bottom and tap Duplicate. Then tap Overlay. Drag the duplicated clip under your main video clip until they line up. At the bottom, tap Effects. Then select Video Effects. In the search bar, type in Sharpen. Then select Sharpen Edges. Tap the adjustment icon. At the bottom, set the filter slider to 0. Tap Cancel to close the effect menu, then tap the check mark to apply your effect. Drag the effect clip to match the length of your video. Now select your Sharpen effect. Tap Object. Select the second clip. Tap Overlay. Select your overlay clip. Then select Opacity in the bottom menu. Set the slider to 50. Then tap the check mark to save. Now tap Export to save your edited video. That's all it takes to make videos look more clear using CapCut. For more helpful CapCut tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of CapCut tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.